In here, it's a depth of 14 feet. We are now in the breeding season, which is between May and October.
It's huge, isn't it? It's so big.
Yeah. Our turtles in here are from 15 years old to 85 years old, weighing 65 to 575 pounds.
Wow.
The male turtles have longer tails, and the females have shorter tails. That's how you tell the difference between our turtles.
They have tails?
There's a long one right there. Yeah. You cannot determine the sex of a turtle until they're about 9 years old.
Well.
The beach backdrop up there is for their nesting. Turtles will not attempt to mate unless there's a sand backdrop. The turtles we have in the display tanks over there do not have a sand backdrop, and they will not mate. 1, because there's no sand, and 2, because they're not of age.
Okay. So that's perfectly done.
They start at 15.
Okay.
A long time. Yeah,
when do they stop?
Never.
We have one in here that's 80, over 80 years old.
Yeah.
And all without Viagra.
How do you determine
the tails? The male have longer tails. Their age. We have them tagged, so we can tell their age by their tag.
That's the only real way.
That's the only way. In the wild, turtles they don't get gray, but they get white, so they get lighter. The lighter they are. 15 to 85. Yeah?
Yeah. So some of them are actually older than you?
I'm still going strong.
Years.
3 years?
Years.
And real years. At 85
You're jealous. You're jealous, aren't you? I know.
There's one in here that's over 80 and she has to stop. She does not lay anymore. She doesn't nest anymore.
How long the heat go?
None of them have stopped
Forever.
so
Forever. You want to be a turtle? You want to be a turtle?
Some DNA of that turtle.
The interesting fact during their mating is they mate for 72 hours. What?
Well, if the lady can take it,
Uninterrupted turtles.
Do they stop growing?
They do. They grow higher more than wider.
Okay.
Yeah. You will not be able to tell the sex of these turtles right now.
Check it out. Check it out.
Move on this way. Well, over here we have one there. Her name is Cassidy. She's 4 years old.
oh, it's small.
This is not going to get much bigger. You're already 4.
Cayman.
Okay. Okay.
There's the Cayman.
That's a Cayman.
It's not the crocodile, that's
Alligator.
That's the alligator.
Oh, and she's so close. You know, 1,000 turtles. Don't turn that one upside down. It might hurt you. Let's try to turn them.
He's still saying. Well, these ones you can tell. These ones are nice. You can tell. From 9 you can tell. Of his kind. The last of his kind, dude. He's the one. He is the one.
Everybody's living in tenement houses. He got studio.
How do you recognize this thing?
We have hybrids over there between the hospital and the mother. So we have done it before, but
He's getting a little shower. He's getting a little shower.
he's a spa. He's always hanging out at that spa.
Yeah, you know this?
Females grow up to 8 feet and male only 6 feet. Oh.
This one here is the brown one? Right at the bottom?
It's a brown shark. Or a sandbar shark. If you look over into that corner, you'll see some big things laying on the ground there. Those are our nurse sharks. Our biggest nurse shark is Snake Eyes. He's 9 feet long. Maka and Buka are about 7 feet long, and Freddy's are smallest at 5.5 feet.
Those there?
Those guys right over by the glass. They're laying down by the rock.
Hiding room there.
There's 4 of them. Nurse sharks are nocturnal. They sleep all day and don't get active, so there's no light.
Hi.
No, he likes brown. He likes brown.
They have and they're trained. They've been trained for over a year before.
What if you them, man?
That's not,
Give them fish?
not to,
Fish.
but fish in there too?
Yeah.
Fish to feed them, man, not some missing persons.
That sure that it sure that everything can be trained.
But that's instinct too, you know. So that's not intelligence really.
Because they
I show Steve. Steve, let me show you. Come. Yeah.